Some cars seem to shrug off years of wear and tear, keeping owners moving without a single hiccup. Others might start strong but reveal their weaknesses over time, with repairs and maintenance slowly stacking up. Longevity isn't just about mileage. It's about engineering, consistency, and how well a car handles daily life without demanding constant attention. When different approaches to design meet the road, the differences in dependability become impossible to ignore. Today, we will talk about Honda versus Toyota, Reliability Battle 2026. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Honda versus Toyota, Reliability Battle 2026. In 2026, the debate between Honda and Toyota reliability continues to be one of the most discussed topics among car buyers, enthusiasts, and industry analysts. Both brands have long-standing reputations for engineering quality, durability, and long-term dependability. But subtle differences in design philosophy, maintenance trends, and real-world performance shape the contours of this reliability battle. Toyota's legacy of conservative engineering, robust engines, and simple mechanical systems has made vehicles like the Corolla, Camry, and RAV four paragons of predictable long-term ownership. Honda, on the other hand, blends reliability with a slightly more performance-oriented approach in models like the Civic, Accord, and CR-V, offering spirited driving without sacrificing durability. In 2026, both brands benefit from decades of evolutionary improvements, but each has its own strengths and caveats. 2. Historical reliability. Toyota versus Honda legacy. Looking back over the past several decades, both Honda and Toyota have carved impressive reputations for reliability, but they arrived there via somewhat different engineering philosophies. Toyota's approach historically emphasized conservative powertrain design, simplicity, and extensive testing under varied conditions. This philosophy gave rise to engines and transmissions with minimal moving parts and few failure points, which is why models like the Corolla and Camry are frequently cited as examples of vehicles capable of surpassing 300,000 miles. Toyota's early and widespread adoption of hybrid technology in models like the Prius further cemented its reputation for durability with electrified systems that show excellent long-term performance. Honda, meanwhile, earned its reliability badge through engines with broader performance bands and variable valve timing systems, like the B-Series, K-Series, and later Earth Dreams engines, that offered both efficiency and spirited driving. 3. Engines and powertrains. Which brand lasts longer? When comparing reliability, the heart of any car, the engine, reveals significant insights into why Toyota and Honda perform well in the long run. Toyota's naturally aspirated engines, such as the 2.5-liter four-cylinder found in the Camry or the rugged 2.7-liter/3.5-liter engines in the Tacoma and Tundra, are known for simple valve train architectures, robust cooling systems, and minimal turbocharging stress. Toyota's hybrid powertrains integrate electric motors with gasoline engines in a way that reduces mechanical strain, contributing to the Prius and hybrid Camry's ability to run smoothly for decades. Honda's engines, including the long-lived K-Series and newer Earth Dream series, deliver reliability while emphasizing power and responsiveness. 4. Electronics and complexity. Toyota's conservative edge. In recent decades, the biggest challenges to vehicle reliability across all brands have come from electronics. Infotainment systems, driver assist modules, and increasingly complex engine management. Toyota's long-standing philosophy has been to introduce new technology gradually, prioritizing proven systems and redundancy. As a result, many Toyota models in 2026 still rely on tried-and-true electronic control units, ECUs, and sensor architectures that minimize failure points. Toyota's safety suite, Toyota Safety Sense, has been refined over multiple generations, and owners report fewer software bugs or sensor failures than average for the segment. Honda has also advanced its electronic suite, including Honda Sensing Safety Tech and more sophisticated infotainment systems that integrate with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. 5. Hybrid and electrified reliability. Toyota's advantage. A major battleground in the Honda versus Toyota reliability debate centers on hybrid and electrified systems. Toyota pioneered hybrid technology with the Prius decades ago, and its hybrid systems have proven remarkably resilient. Toyota's approach emphasizes mechanical simplicity and hybrid architecture, power split devices and batteries designed for long life, with many Prius models in 2026 exceeding 200,000 miles with little more than routine service. Toyota's hybrid battery warranties and modular replacement strategies also reduce ownership risk. Honda's hybrid systems, integrated into models like the Accord Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid, offer excellent fuel economy and performance, but they entered the market later and historically relied on more complex multi-mode transmissions. 6. Maintenance and repair costs. Honda versus Toyota ownership. Long-term reliability isn't just about how often something breaks. It's also about how much it costs to fix. On average, Honda and Toyota both offer lower maintenance costs than many competitors, but subtle differences emerge over extended ownership. Toyota's parts availability is broad, and many common components like brake rotors, filters, and suspension parts are reasonably priced. Toyota dealers and independent shops alike offer familiarity with common models, keeping labor costs predictable. Honda's parts are similarly accessible, and its simple engine designs contribute to straightforward servicing. However, certain Honda models with more advanced engine components or earlier CVT transmissions may require more frequent software calibrations or periodic belt/chain inspection. Insurance costs for both brands are generally lower than average, further enhancing their appeal for long ownership. 7. Resale value and longevity. How they compare resale value is often a reflection of perceived reliability and ownership cost risk. Historically, Toyota vehicles maintain stronger resale values than Honda counterparts across many segments. Models like the Corolla, RAV4, and Tacoma often command higher used prices than Honda's Civic, CR-V, and Ridgeline equivalents. In 2026, this trend persists because buyers are willing to pay a premium for the confidence that a Toyota will continue to perform reliably with modest maintenance. Honda's vehicles also hold value well, particularly uprated trims and popular models like the Civic Si or Accord Sport, but the resale gap is noticeable in statistical catalogs. Longevity data reinforces this. High-mileage Toyota models frequently report lower incidence of major repairs in owner surveys than comparable high-mile Honda vehicles. 8. SUV and crossover reliability. CR-V versus RAV4. In the booming SUV segment, the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 are perennial bestsellers that often headline reliability discussions. The CR-V's naturally aspirated engines in earlier generations and turbocharged units in recent models deliver strong reliability when routine maintenance is performed. Transmission behavior, including CVT calibration in newer models, is generally solid in Hondas, though early examples of some years required software updates. The RAV4's powertrains, including hybrid variants, combine smooth performance with Toyota's conservative engineering, resulting in minimal high-cost repairs over long ownership. 9. Common issues and reliability caveats. No brand is immune to reliability caveats, and both Honda and Toyota have experienced certain recurring issue patterns over the years. Toyota's older models occasionally showed transmission solenoid problems in some automatic units and occasional oil leaks in V6 engines, but these issues are relatively rare with proper maintenance. Honda's earlier CVT transmissions had periods of heightened sensitivity to belt wear if regular service intervals were ignored, and some models experienced higher than average air conditioning component failures. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.